Alright guys, let me show you something here. These parts with the time start getting you know, the color. Well, you guys can fix this super easier with a torch. And I already fixed this one a little bit. As you guys can see, look at the color, how it's getting it. You gotta do this quickly and you get the brand new color over here. The only thing you guys gotta watch out is right here in the net, because as you can see, I messed it up a little bit right here. And you know, it was playing with this around here, but you know, it's getting a nice dark color over here. And my son is gonna record me. That way you guys can see how to, he's getting it a little bit. As you see right here, you need a little bit more. And I'm gonna hit the torch, and that's the thing you gotta do. Pass it faster, closer. Right here, take a look right here, this areas. Not too close. You gotta move quickly, because if you leave it in one spot, basically you messed it up that thing. I almost got again. Just basically outside to make it looks like new. And well, basically that's it. Let me see. Right here a little bit more. Yeah, right here a little bit more. You guys can see right here, it's getting color. Basically that's it. You got a brand new piece, and take a look. It's like a you use like an armor or something like that. Right here, you see, I gotta do a little bit more right here. You guys see the difference? Let me just put a stronger light right there. You guys see the difference?
No, that makes it worse.
Huh?
Turn off the light.
Yeah, okay. Making it worse. This one, you guys can see. Okay, I'm gonna fix this a little bit. Let's put it. You see, you guys can see the big difference right now. Okay, what happened with this guy? Hold on. What the race? What happened with this thing? Okay. Okay, take a look. You see how it's changing? Alright. If you didn't get right away the whole color, just let it wait. Right here we need to get a little bit more, but just let it cool. Don't do it in one pass, because you can melt up this. And yeah, it's hot. I can feel it right here, it's hot. And basically it's because you're melting and everything is fusioning. If I touch that, I put my finger like that, I screwed up this. Don't try to do that, just hold it. But as you guys can see, look at the nice finish right here. You guys see it right here, take a look. This one, we're gonna fix this one right now. I'm gonna put a little bit more right here.
Do you want me to hold it?
Oh, it's fine, guys. Closer. Okay. That's it. Just leave it right there. Hold on.
Ooh, just se falló el video.
No, hold on. That's it. You just put your finger right there, and it's gonna be get it back to normal. You see right there, I put too much, but I told you guys, But if you pass it a little bit like this in these corners are always dangerous. But you see, it's getting
easy.
nice. Yeah, it melts easy, but we got it.
Looks better now.
You can look, guys. It looks like you put some armor roll in there, and it's nice. It looks like the inside part. All right. Now you got a secret right here. Let me see if it's already cold. No, I still have this one. This one. So right here, you guys can see the difference. This area, you see the color, the discoloration right here. It looks like I put some armor roll right here, and this one is not. Well, I cannot do that right here. Maybe if I put a metal piece or something, I'm gonna be able to do this area, but I don't wanna risk it because I already screwed up right here. And right here, I'm gonna put tape. That tape that I showed you guys previously is not a electric tape, it's Tesa tape. Especially is like some kind of a fabric special tape used by BMW and Mercedes-Benz. I'm gonna put it right here inside. This is not gonna be a great deal, but my son is scared that rats can go through here. You can't believe that? Well, I don't know. My son says yes. I don't think so, but take a look at this baby, guys. You know,
For some context, by the way, this whole thing was covered in white patches. So nothing's going to be perfect after you take it out of the auto shop or anywhere you get it that's official. Yeah. It's not gonna look perfect, of course, but this is like a touch up in a sense.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, this is basically a touch up, and it looks very nice. I like it. I like it the way it looks.
Show them the part. Show them the part. ¿Cómo se ve?
Look.
No, like from over. Yeah, I'm gonna.
Yeah. This one, it was all fade out, completely fade out because of the sun. Now, it looks like you put some armor roll, but you gotta be careful. You guys see it right here. Right here, well, as you see, I fix it. If we get melted, just pat your finger right away, softly, and don't be nervous. You gotta pass it quickly enough. Try to test it with a different plastic things you have. But I did it in my Ridgeline. Let me show you right here. Some time ago, I was hit, and basically, I put the flame right there, and it works really, really, really good. And I did it, and I fixed it. The way it looks like right now is super, super good comparison to how it was before. All right, guys. Well, that's it for today. Thumbs up. See you guys in another Just My review, and well, let's go and finish my kid's car again. Bye.